Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, I have a super satisfying window deep clean. The windows in the dining room are so dirty and in need of a good old-fashioned cleaning. I figured it would be a good time to clean them because I am working on the dining room makeover, and when I do makeovers, I like to have everything really clean. If you enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on so you never miss a new video. I post all kinds of cleaning motivation, home makeovers on a budget, and more. Now with all that being said, let's get at it and get it done. Also stay tuned until the end of the video to see the beautiful mountain view from my backyard. I am so thankful and blessed to be able to enjoy them, and I wanted to share them with y'all. Also, spoiler alert, you will get a good laugh at the end, and I will give y'all a hint. It has to do with a bug, and I don't like bugs. First, get your cleaner of choice. I like to wear gloves and also keep a trash bag close by to put all the trash in.
Myself every single day, you set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. Me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Wow, look how dirty that was. Such a huge difference.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
Now you want to get some cotton swabs so you can get in there and really detail clean it.
Myself every single day, you set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, they're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we'll find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I see your face, your mouth looks like mine. Pretend to dream, surrounded by ghosts in white. And nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture whatever they call us, whatever they'll do. They're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I'm missing what's you. Voices in my head are killing me. Oh, they're killing me. I'm sorry for why, but won't you reach? Oh, you look like a dream to me. Don't let me be.
So with my windows, I am able to pull them back, so I'm going to clean under them really fast just to get out any of the leftover grime. If your windows don't do this, don't worry, you can use some more cotton swabs and a toothpick to further detail clean it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
For the finishing touch, I'm just going to go in with my glass cleaner and clean the windows really well.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Alrighty y'all, so I wanted to end this video by showing y'all these beautiful mountains behind my house. I come outside and I seen them and I was like, I have to share them with y'all because they are so pretty. And I also want to say thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it and I love each and every single one of y'all. So, so I'm gonna not get by a mosquito, but until next time, I will see y'all in my... Well, what I meant to say was I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.